Good morning. It's DJ Stocks. Come on and let's get ducky. We're going to talk about money today. We'll talk about Friday was a disaster. It's a disaster. We're waiting for the futures to open 7 p.m. Central Time today. It is March 8th, my friends, Sunday, March 8th, and here to talk about money. Let me bring the music down and we'll get started with today's show. Oh, almost sounded like a baseball organ, didn't it? Love me some baseball. For those of you that don't watch the channel, I transitioned last year from a Cubs fan to a Brewers fan. So go Brew Crew. That's my new team for this year. So let's talk about this stuff. Let's talk about, then I'll tell, if you stay to the end, I'll tell you how much money I lost on Friday. It was a disaster. Yeah, money. Too many people are not using their money properly. Money's just a tool. I'm here to tell you, money is just a tool. Do you got a drill? Big drill like this? Do you got some screwdrivers in your toolbox? You just don't let them sit there. You got to take them out of your toolbox and use them to fix stuff, right? The same way with this. Same thing with this. You got to do something with it. You got to fix problems with it. You got to pay off your credit card bills. You got to best if you could eliminate your credit card bills forever. Yeah, cut them up. Cut some of them up. You probably got too many. But that's what this is. It's a tool. It's just like a screwdriver. Think about it. You got to use it. The more you use it, the more things you're fixing. Doesn't that sound like fun? Yeah, I'm a handyman. I got tools everywhere. I got money everywhere too. Oh, and I'm here to tell you, it's all about the mindset. Mindset matters. People with great wealth understand how to redeploy their money and invest in things that are going to make them money without much effort. I mean, as I'm sleeping, this is making me money. This is just one example. Get yourself some rental properties if you're into that. Classic cars, although the value of classic cars is down, it might be an opportunity there if you're into that. But precious metals are a great way to shield your wealth, protect your wealth long term. You don't want to be buying that stuff and then selling it a month or two later. No. Premiums kill you. They get you a premium on the buy and the sell, so you need to hold on to this stuff as long as you can. I think this is, where's it at right now? Silver's, there's something going on in the silver world. Let's just say that. There's a shortage of silver, so if you can find some at a decent price, get yourself some. And it's 84.31 right now. It's up $2.30. So they say things are going to be popping at the end of the month. There could be a physical silver shortage for COMEX. COMEX has got some problems, so be watching that. The price of silver over in Shanghai is like $7 to $10 more than the United States. That's kind of weird too. So lots happening there. I'm telling you, get yourself some silver while you can, and it's going to be going up. It will be going up for sure. All right, so let's talk about Friday. God, Friday. Friday, we took a beating. I'm just so used to taking beatings. I'm like a pit bull or something, getting beat all the time. Where's my piece of paper here? Got my handy dandy. I'm recording this on a daily basis now so I can analyze it. We're down $14,300 on Friday, March 6th. And I think we're kind of like even. We're even, or like maybe $3,000 down for the month. Not good. Not good. So what am I doing? What am I doing? I'm holding on is what I'm doing. I'm holding on. I'm not selling. There's a couple of stocks that I'm close to breaking even on. I might sell some of those once they start making a little bit of money. But if you've watched our videos before, we start with buying most of our, I won't say all of our stocks, but most of our stocks have great ratings. Okay, you see some D's there. Those aren't the good ones. The A's and B's and C's, those are some decent blue chip stocks. That's the number one thing that we have, is ensure what we're putting our money in is quality blue chip stocks, because sometimes, right? So I tell you about this. Sometimes there are dips, prolonged dips in the market, such as what we're going through the last 2.5 months here. It's continuing to be prolonged. So we'll see when we shake out of this whole thing. Maybe we won't. Maybe it'll just be a continued recession here in the market. But when the market dips like this for an extended period of time, you got to hold on for dear life. And the better the quality of your stock, the better it is for you to make sure you become complete and whole at the other end. So that's what we're doing. I've got a little bit of cash sitting there, but I'm not deploying. I've kind of quit deploying cash unless I've sold something, where then I can deploy that cash. So I'm just kind of hanging on and riding the wave is what we're doing right now. So that's where there's some good opportunities out there. American Express is down. I don't know about Nvidia. Nvidia is down. I'm not sure I would call that an opportunity after how they've been beat up. Google's down a little bit. You can get yourself some of that. I've been watching for some more highly speculative stuff. I've been watching WDC. That's a hard drive storage facility stock, and it like goes up and down like a yo-yo. So you might be able to catch that going down and coming back up and make some quick bucks. Netflix, I think Netflix is going to be doing some good things here. I got some Palo Alto Network and some Palantir that has just been beaten up. I mean, totally beaten up. Those are two high quality AI and cybersecurity stocks that you might be interested in. So once again, we're not giving financial advice. We're just telling you that what we have in our portfolio and how we're trying to make some money in the stock market. So spend your money at your own risk and make sure you do your due diligence. Just saying. So I think that's what I got for you today. Down 14,300 on Friday. And I'm calm about it, right? I'm calm. I'm calm as a cucumber. Looking forward to tonight at 7 o'clock when the futures open. We'll see how good or how bad things are going to be on Monday. And I got my tools here and I'm ready to start fixing stuff. Ready to start fixing. Yes, we are. Good old craftsman. Over and out. It's DJ Stocks. Like, subscribe, and let's make some more money.